What is this?
What's it say, bud?
Crafts.
Let's look at what kind of crafts it is.
Okay, hold on. I can do it
Hold
too.
it this way, okay?
Yes.
Oh my!
Oh my
You
goodness.
have markers and
Paintbrushes?
Yay, more mess.
paint.
Yay.
And here's a
Book?
notebook to do your paintings in. Pencil sharpener.
Emma Joy,
What?
who was that from?
Grandma Nancy.
And what do you tell her?
Thank you, Grandma Nancy. My turn to open